In the distance stand Greater Ararat, 5,137 meters, Turkey's highest mountain. One ferry ride, 2 continents, crossing the Bosphorus. From Asia to Europe, in the heart of Istanbul. A 15-minute ferry ride between Asia and Europe. The Bosphorus Strait is only about 700 meters wide at its narrowest point. Istanbul is the only major city in the world, located on 2 continents. Stepping onto the European side of Istanbul, Süleymaniye Mosque, built for Sultan Süleyman the Magnificent. This mosque symbolizes the peak of Ottoman power. I've visited many mosques around the world, but none has impressed me quite like Süleymaniye. What stays with me most isn't the architecture, but the sense of peace. Heading toward the Grand Bazaar, where merchants have traded for more than 500 years. Gold has been traded in Istanbul for centuries, making the Grand Bazaar one of the world's most famous jewelry markets. The Blue Mosque's 6 minarets caused controversy, as only the Grand Mosque in Mecca had the same number at the time. Built in 1616. Before entering the Blue Mosque, everyone removes their shoes. The real challenge is remembering where you left them. The Blue Mosque was built to rival the grandeur of Hagia Sophia, just across the square. More than 20,000 hand-painted blue tiles gave the Blue Mosque its world-famous name. One building, 2 religions. Few places on earth have witnessed more history than Hagia Sophia. Originally built as a Christian cathedral in 537 after Christ. Standing here for nearly 1,500 years, Hagia Sophia has outlived empires, sultans, and kingdoms. Hagia Sophia was converted into a mosque after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople in 1453.